Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best gold hooks is probably one of the most versatile and aesthetically pleasing additions you can make to your home decor, offering a touch of elegance and practicality that elevates any space, from organizing your entryway to adding a decorative flair in your living room or bedroom, making them a must-have for anyone looking to blend style with functionality. Number 5. NearMoon SUS304 Stainless Steel Robe Hook. Elevate your space with our modern and simple design. It's a beautiful and fashionable addition, perfect for your bathroom, kitchen, or bedroom. Crafted from premium 304 stainless steel with a brushed gold finish, this hook is built to last. It's designed to resist rust, even in humid environments. Experience high-end style with its invisible screw design and seamless connections. The brushed gold finish is durable and resistant to daily scratches and corrosion. Safely hang a variety of items, from towels and robes to coats and bags. Its sleek design makes it suitable for bathrooms, kitchens, living rooms, and more. Installation is a breeze with the included stainless steel screws and anchors. All necessary accessories and instructions are provided in the package. What we like? If you're looking for a sleek and modern addition to your bathroom or kitchen, this is a great choice. Its rust-proof SUS304 stainless steel construction ensures longevity even in humid environments. The invisible screw design offers a clean, high-end look, making it ideal for those who appreciate minimalist aesthetics and durable quality. What people say? The hooks are very sturdy and hold a good amount of weight. They look great on my wall and add a nice decorative touch. Easy to install and very functional for hanging coats and bags. Number 4. TOFIIGREM Gold Double Hooks, 6-pack. These heavy-duty gold hooks are perfect for hanging towels, coats, keys, and bags. Made from thick aluminum alloy, they are durable, rust-proof, and can hold up to 50 pounds with ease. With their double hook design, these can be used in any room, from the bathroom to the garage. They help save space and keep your room tidy and beautiful. These hooks not only look stylish and beautiful but also feel smooth to the touch. Their curved edges protect your hands and clothing, and they won't rust, even outdoors. Installation is a breeze with hidden screws. Each hook comes with screws for various mounting needs, allowing you to install them on walls, closets, doors, or wooden boards. Each package contains 6 double hooks. You'll also receive plenty of screws for installation, ensuring you have everything you need. What we like? For those who need to hang multiple or heavier items, these double hooks are a fantastic option. Made from thick aluminum alloy, they can hold up to 50 pounds with ease. The stylish design with smooth, curved edges protects your hands and clothing, making them perfect for busy entryways or bathrooms where space-saving and robust functionality are key. What people say? The hooks are very sturdy and hold up well. Easy to install and look great on the wall. The design is sleek and modern, perfect for my bathroom. Number 3. TOFIIGREM Gold Double Wall Hooks. Crafted from high-quality solid zinc alloy, these hooks are built to last. They are incredibly sturdy and rust-proof, capable of holding up to 40 pounds. Installation is a breeze with the included screws and anchors. You can easily mount them on walls, in closets, or garages for immediate use. Featuring a fashionable and exquisite appearance, these hooks offer a smooth touch. Their curved edges are designed to protect your hands and clothing from scratches. These double hooks are perfect for a wide range of uses. Hang towels, robes, jackets, backpacks, keys, and more to keep any space tidy and beautiful. Suitable for bathrooms, kitchens, closets, garages, and even outdoor spaces. They help organize your belongings and add a touch of elegance to your decor. Each set comes with 6 double hooks, along with all the necessary mounting screws. Everything you need for a quick and secure installation is provided. What we like? If you often hang heavy items like backpacks or flower baskets, consider these solid zinc alloy hooks. They feature a thicker base and a robust design capable of holding up to 40 pounds. The double hook design is practical for organizing various items, making them a strong contender for cluttered spaces like closets, garages, or entryways needing reliable, heavy-duty support. What people say? These hooks are surprisingly strong and hold up well, even with heavier items. The design is sleek and modern, fitting perfectly with my home decor. Installation was a breeze, taking only a few minutes to secure them to the wall. Number 2. Swpeet 120 PCS Gold Metal Screw-in Ceiling Hooks Kit. These heavy-duty hooks are built to last. Their protective coating prevents rust, ensuring they look great and function well for a long time. You'll receive 6 different sizes of high-quality cup hooks to meet all your daily needs. This extensive set offers long-term usability and value. Installation is a breeze thanks to their sharp tips. They easily screw into ceilings or wood surfaces and hold securely once in place. They come in a durable, high-quality plastic container with a secure latch. This packaging is designed to last, keeping your hooks organized and protected. Perfect for a variety of applications, these can be used in your home, workplace, or office. Hang plants, lights, cups, keys, and more with ease. These hooks are a perfect daily assistant for organizing your space. Their versatility makes them ideal for numerous indoor and outdoor uses. What we like. If you need a versatile set for various DIY projects or organizing smaller items, this kit is excellent. It includes 120 hooks in 6 different sizes, all with sharp, self-tapping threads for easy installation into wood. The durable container keeps them organized, making it ideal for workshops, garages, or anyone who likes to be prepared for various hanging needs. What people say. The hooks are very sturdy and hold a good amount of weight. They look great on my wall and add a nice decorative touch. Easy to install and came with all the necessary hardware. Number 1. Gold Coat Wall Hooks, Set of 5. Introducing our set of 5 durable gold wall hooks. Crafted from high-quality steel with a brushed gold finish, they are built to last and add a touch of elegance to any room. These hooks are designed for universal use. Place them in your hallway, bedroom, bathroom, or entryway to keep your space organized. Perfectly organize all your belongings. They are ideal for hanging clothes, coats, jackets, hats, backpacks, robes, and towels. These hooks feature a stylish brushed gold finish that complements rustic, vintage, or industrial interior designs. Installation is a breeze with the included mounting hardware. Everything you need to hang these towel hooks is provided in the set. What we like. For those aiming for a rustic, vintage, or industrial aesthetic, these hooks are a perfect match. Made from durable steel with a brushed gold powder coat finish, they offer both style and functionality. They are ideal for organizing coats, robes, or towels in hallways, bedrooms, or bathrooms where a touch of classic charm is desired. What people say. The hooks are very sturdy and hold a good amount of weight. They look great on my wall and add a nice decorative touch. Easy to install and feel very secure. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.